Hello everyone, my name is Sarthak Anish Patel. I am from Kopargaon. I am currently pursuing my MBA from Sanjeevani University. Today I am presenting the sector of the Indian economy. The three main sectors of the economy are the primary sector, secondary sector and service sector. They represent the different stage of the production from the extraction of raw material to the provision of services. First sector of the primary sector. Primary sector of definition. The primary sector involves the extraction of raw material from the earth. It include the industrial like the agriculture, fishing and forest. The first is the agriculture. The farmer grows crops and rear animals for the food production. Second is the fishing. The fishermen catch fish and other seafoods from the river. The third is the forest. Lodging company cut a tree and timber from the paper production. Second is the secondary sector. The definition of the secondary sector. The secondary sector is where of a raw material from the primary sector. We are a transformation into the fishing goods through the industrial process. The first is a manufacturing industry. The factory produce goods like cloth, cars and electronics. Second is construction. A builder create the infrastructure such as the road, bridge and home. Third is the factories. The assemble line in the factories combine part of the create the fish production. Third is the service sector. The service sector definition. The service sector provide the intangible goods such as the service rather than the product. It supports both individual and a business. First is the education. The school and university train the individual for the workforce. Second is the health sector. The hospital and the cleaning provide the medical care. Third is the transport and the communication. Airline, train and a mobile service keep a people and a good connect. How to three sector connect? The first sector is the primary sector and secondary. Raw material like connect are the harvest in a primary sector and turn into the cloth in the secondary sector. Second, the secondary sector to service sector. Good produced in the factory are sold through retail service and support by the logistic company. Third is the service to all. The service sector support both the primary sector and secondary sector through the financial services, transportation and technology. Thank you so much.